Yeah, that was a really terrible day for me. Anyway, are you looking for a tripod to suit your photography or videography needs, but you're also looking for something extremely affordable? Well, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the WT3560 tripod, and this may well be the best budget tripod within its price segment. Yeah, my name is Edie. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified when I upload a new video. And if you did subscribe, just head out to the comment section and say, "Hi, I have subscribed." And if you're already a subscriber, comment "already a subscriber." I promise to respond to all comments. So first, this is how big the tripod is when it's not extended. It's 25 inches or 0.64 meters, and it weighs roughly 1.6 kilograms, so it's not heavy. It's a travel tripod with a pan head designed for outdoor activities. It's lightweight, and a carrying case is included when you buy one. So most of the tripod is made from carbon fiber, which, as you probably know, is very durable. But some parts like here and the head is made from plastic, and those parts do feel cheap. But overall, the build quality is good considering the price you're paying. By the way, the price would vary depending on the store you're buying from. However, I got mine for just $25 or 12,000 naira. So it's quite affordable. When we do extend the tripod using the flip locks, it can go up to 1.43 meters, but it can go even taller. All you have to do is turn this knob to reveal the, what do I call this, neck of the tripod, which increases the total length to 1.7 meters. Yeah, and if you put the legs closer to each other, you can go even taller. I'm about 6'3", and here is me standing next to the tripod. So the length of the tripod should not be a problem for anyone. At the side of the tripod, there's a handle for carrying it. Now, right below that, underneath the tripod, there's a bag hook for weighing down the tripod so it doesn't trip over easily. That's nice to have. The tripod has a quick release plate to quickly get your cameras or your phone holders on and off. Just pull the lever, take out the plate, and screw in your camera or your phone holders from the bottom. Then slide it back in. There are two levelers on the tripod. One is on one of the legs and the other is on the head. Now, the pan head is not fluid. The pan is not smooth, unlike what you'd see on more expensive tripods. So if you do a lot of pan shots, I wouldn't recommend this tripod. Don't buy it. But if you're going to do pans with this tripod, be ready for multiple takes because it would freeze. The pan isn't just smooth. But if you're a photographer, a YouTuber, a videographer who just keeps their camera still on a tripod and takes pictures or shoot videos, it's fine. I recommend buying this tripod. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. My name is Udi. This is Udi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see me in my next video.